Hey guys, so today I got a new toy to try out for my element. It's this Vevor awning that goes over the top and retracts out. So I'm going to try it on my element, and you could see by the size, it's about the size of my rack. So it's a pretty big size awning. We'll give it a shot. All right, so let's take a look at it. All right, it's pretty simple. Has this aluminum rail right here. The case, it's a looks like a pretty durable vinyl case or something of the sort. Let's take a look at the hardware. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, ropes and stakes, nuts and screws. Take a look at the directions. Looks like you just clamp it on to the brackets they give you, and you should be good to go. Look, there's an option to go inside a basket, so I think that's going to be the option we're going to use right there. Okay, this looks like the hardware to go inside the bracket, the basket. So let's give it a shot. All right, a bit of a hiccup. These mounts were made to go on um, with a bar mount on a bar that goes this way and not this way. You can see the mounting. So what I need to do is I want to go mount it through this thing right here, kind of like that, and which will work fine. The only problem is this side is behind this, so I need to move my rack back just one stretch so that this would be exposed and I'll be able to mount to it. All right, so I was able to move those things over one notch, move it over one notch. Now we could put the awning. So I got those clamps in, the brackets. So now we could put on the awning. All right, so here's the way the clamps look. Take a look at them. There's one, and there's the other set of clamps. Let's take a look back. All right, so let's open it up and give it a shot. All right, looks like I was supposed to unfold this last, so let's try that again. Okay, it's got these poles in here. All right, not bad. And of course, you can put stakes if you're on the grass, on dirt, or on the grass or something. But it's a little cumbersome to do by yourself. But if you had two people, it'd be a lot easier. But I think it's all right. Walk around. I think it's a pretty good looking awning. There you go. Think it looks pretty good? All right, so let's roll it back up. I think it looks good and works well.